5 class. I hope you all will be fine and doing great job. Today I will teach you SST Unit 9 Chapter 1. Our unit name is Learning from the Past and chapter name is Calendars and Time. Basically calendar is of two types: Islamic calendar, Gregorian calendar. First of all, I will a little discuss about time. There are three categories of time basically. First one is present, which which time we are living, that is present, which have passed, known as past, and which will come, known as future. So in this unit we are learning from the past. So first of all, different types of calendar discussed here. Basically there are two types of calendars: Islamic calendars and Gregorian calendars. In Islamic calendars we observe the orbiting of moon around the earth. Orbit the moon orbit the earth, as usually earth orbits around the sun. So these are differentiate and make two types of calendars. First one known as Islamic calendars, or the earth rotation around the sun, known as Gregorian calendar. The first month of Gregorian calendar is January, as you can see also. Then February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Totally 365 days, 365.25. So after 4 years it will become 366, as you can see here. It's also here. Okay students, 360 days are called leap year, or their other name is special year. Okay, you can see here also, because one year contain 365.25 days, and our earth take a complete rotation of around the sun in 365.25, and every after 4 years it will become 366, known as special year. So that's why every 4 years the February will be 29 days, will be of 29 days. So if I little talk about Islamic calendars, you can also see here the first month of Islamic calendar is Muharram, then Safar, Rabiul Awwal, Rabiul Thani, Jamadiul Awwal, Jamadiul Thani, Rajab, Shaban, Ramzan, Shawwal, Zilqad and Zilhajj. The orbiting movement of moon around the earth. Dash tell us about the Islamic calendars या फिर lunar calendars. So there are some other terms used in the first chapter, that is decades, century, millennium. Okay, so one by one we will discuss it. Decades, here you can also see them. A consecutive 10-year period of time is called a decade. Deca word derived from decade, so deca means 10. 10-year period is called a decade. Century means 100 years, consecutive years. 100 consecutive years, that is century. Century means also 100. And last one is millennium, a period of time equal to 1000 years. So these are three basic categories. I hope you can understand it easily. Now you learn, understand and reading throughout this first chapter. These are page number 84 and 85 as well. So in the next lecture, in the next video, I will teach you unit 9 chapter 2. So then be safe, be home. Allah Hafiz.